In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise. Both hands are doing triads, but the right hand is going to be doing broken triads or arpeggiated triads, and the left hand is going to be doing block triads. We're going to start at middle C, thumb of the right hand at middle C, and doing broken triads. The left hand is going to be in the C pentascale position, an octave below middle C. So both are in the C position. We're going to be moving up position by position, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We're going to get up here, and then we're going to do that one a second time and come down each position, not missing any white keys and not duplicating. So, but this hand is broken as we move up, and this hand is block as we move up. So it's going to be like this. I'm going to do it slow. Etc. We're going to move all the way up till we're here, and then once we've done this once, we're going to switch the direction of our arpeggio in the right hand. We're going to come from the top note down and then move one hand position down at a time. I think you understand. So we're going to go methodically, fairly slow, but not especially. The main thing is that you understand the concept, that you can go and practice this on your own. So it'll be like this. Switch it around, come down. It's a great exercise for beginners. Give that a shot.